apabila you see certain things not happening and di mana rakyat tak dapat that benefit, I mean, it is also our right to speak up ataupun mengingatkan ataupun memberi pandangan. So
cuma tuanku mungkin akan ada, kalau boleh Patik tanya, slightly delicate question. So, mungkin akan ada yang bercakap, okay, kalau keluarga diraja nak memberi pandangan, maka mereka juga perlu menerima apabila pandangan itu dikritik atau pandangan itu tidak disetujui oleh rakyat biasa. Is that okay?
But we have been, how long have I been critic? Anything happen? I don't see anything happening. So I'm open to be criticized. Saya open, you know. And
you read the stuff, tuanku baca tak benda-benda yang
sometimes not read all, tetapi of course we have a team that inform sentiment on the grounds and things like that. So sentimental punya studies, kita ada team yang monitor everything. Jadi I don't usually read all, but I think it is also important. Saya rasa mustahak untuk tahulah what is the current sentiment on the ground.